This is why you need to prepare now. Hurricane Milton is barreling towards central Florida. With winds exceeding 100 miles per hour, torrential rain, and potential tornadoes, this storm means business. Coastal areas are on high alert for storm surges, and all counties in central Florida will feel the impact. Flash flooding and power outages are expected. The most severe conditions will hit tonight into Thursday morning. Stay informed through local news and the WESH 2 app. Heed all weather alerts and take action to stay safe. Secure your homes, gather emergency supplies, and have an evacuation plan ready. This is not a drill, folks. Milton is coming and we need to be prepared. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's get through this together.